Get ready to elevate your playtime with the ultimate 3-in-1 battle drone, designed especially for kids aged 4 to 12. This mini marvel isn't just a drone, it's a racing RC car too, offering endless fun with its thrilling drifts and stunts like 3D flips and circle fly. Equipped with dazzling LED lights, these drones transform night battles into a mesmerizing spectacle, with red and blue lights on the red drone and blue and green on the blue drone. The package includes 4 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 30 minutes of flight time, and features like altitude hold and headless mode make it perfect for beginners. Engage in sky combat with the RC battle drones, where you can unleash infrared signal bullets to blast your enemy and declare victory after 3 direct hits. Built with durable nylon ABS plastic and full propeller guards, these drones ensure safety and fun, making them the ideal choice for birthday and Christmas gifts. So, grab your remote and dive into the world of aerial adventures and racing excitement today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.